Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use Meet for Google Chat meeting. Okay, so first thing we have to do is just go open the Google Chat application. If you cannot find the Google Chat on your home screen on your iPhone, you just need to go slide your screen into the left side until you access the app library here. In the app library, you can just click the search button and type chat. The symbol of Google Chat will be like this, the green color. You just need to click it to open it. Wait, hold on until you open the Google Chat, and now you already have the Google Chat open, and now you just need to choose which persons, which people, which of your friends that you want to send the Meet link to. For example, you just need to click one here. If you want to send or ask this person to have a meeting with you through Google Meet, you just need to go click this plus button, and then after that go click Meet link, and the Google Chat will be generated the link for your meeting on a Google Meet. And now we can also add the informations regarding to the Meet sections. Okay, let's say that we want to say the meeting will be start at 11. Okay, and after you're done sending the information, just click this to send, and now this link is already sent into your friends, and you just need to wait until your friend give a response and join into the meeting that you already created. So that's all the way how to use Meet on a Google Chat. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.